Okay children, now let's understand this one. Okay, find the missing digits. Find the missing digits. Okay, here what we will do, first we will arrange. One sum is given to us, and there are some blocks over here. Some blocks are given to us which are empty. Here in two blocks I have already written, but take it consider it as empty boxes, right? These boxes were empty, right? Now here some digits are given in the answer also, and we are supposed to find out the digits, what digit should come in these empty boxes. Okay, so first thing what I want to explain is, always see that in addition, when there are missing digits, we have to find out when the digit in the answer is smaller than the digit given in the addends, the digit which are in the addends, right? These two addends, if they are bigger and the digit in the answer is smaller, that means what we will do, we will add 10 to this digit. What we will do, we will add 10 to this digit. Okay, so now if we are adding 10 to this digit, now see what will happen. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Yes, minus 7. What we will get? 3. What will get? 3. Now 3 will come in this block. 3 will come in this block. Now see, 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 0 here and 1 carry. Is it correct? So remember this always, children. This will make it easy for you all. If the number given in the addend is, if the digit given in the addend is bigger than the digit in your answer, then always add 10 to your digit in the answer. So your digit in the answer is 0. I have added 10 to it. So 0 plus 10 will become 10. Now what I have did? I have subtracted this digit. 10 minus 7. What answer did I get? 3. 3 will come in this block. Okay. Now see the next one. 4. And what is the digit given here? 5. Again this digit is bigger than this digit. This is bigger. That means I will add 10 to 4. Okay. And 1 I have carried also. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. I have 6 here and 4 here, right? This is smaller again, and if it is smaller, again I will add 10 to it. Now let's see this one. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. 14 minus 5 plus 1, 6. How much? 8. Right? Now I will write 8 over here. Yes. Now see this one. 8 and 1. The digit in the answer is 1. Here it is 8. This is empty. Again this is bigger. 8 is bigger than 1. That means I will consider it as, I will add what to it? 10. Again I will add 10 to this. So 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 11 minus 1, 8 plus 1. How much? 9. Because 14 was there. 4 I have written here and 1 here. So 1 plus 8, 9. So let's subtract 9 over here. So 11 minus 9, 2. Right? So let's write 2 here. Now see the next one. 3 and 6. Now 3 plus, first see this, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 8, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry. Again. Now 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Simple. You can write 0 over here and 1 again carry. Right? Now see. 7 plus 1, 8. And this is also 8. So 8 what to be added to this number to get 8 again? This and this both are same. This and this both are same. That means I will add nothing. I will add 0. I will add nothing. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and the digit in the answer is also 8. So I will add nothing. 7 plus 1, 8. So hope you have understood how to do the missing numbers. So let's meet in next class to study something else. I will teach you subtraction property in next class, and after this I will send you some questions to solve it and send it back to me, children. You have 2 days with you, and in next class we will do subtraction properties. Okay.